The open highway calls, but before you answer, make sure your car and your plans are dialed in. Today, I'm sharing 14 essential travel prep hacks to handle before you leave the driveway. Because a smooth road trip starts long before your tires hit the pavement. 1. Use painter's tape to label luggage or backpacks. Don't mix up bags during pit stops. Write names or color codes on painter's tape and stick them on each bag. It peels off clean, no permanent marks. 2. Pack a small umbrella in the side door compartment. Rain at the gas station or sudden storms while unloading. Keep a compact umbrella in your door pocket so it's always within arm's reach. 3. Charge power banks and label charging cords. Ahead of time, nothing's worse than a dead phone in the middle of nowhere. Fully charge all power banks and label cords with colored tape so each passenger knows which one's theirs. 4. Check your coolant overflow bottle for proper color. Don't just check levels. Look at the color of your coolant. It should be bright, green, orange, or pink depending on the type. Brown or cloudy means it needs flushing before the trip. 5. Stash copies of IDs and insurance cards in the glove box. Take photocopies of your license, insurance, and registration. Keep them in a Ziploc in the glove box, just in case your originals go missing. 6. Print out emergency contacts and local numbers. Write or print a list of important phone numbers including your mechanic, roadside assistance, and destination hotel. Stick it in the glove box or center console. No signal, no stress. 7. Use dryer lint in a Ziploc as emergency fire starter. If you're camping or heading rural, toss a bag of dryer lint into your emergency kit. It lights quickly and easily in damp weather, a lifesaver when matches aren't cutting it. 8. Fill up your windshield wiper fluid, not just top it off. Don't just top it up, completely fill your washer fluid reservoir. You'll likely use more than usual during a long drive, especially in bug-prone or dusty areas. 9. Add a foldable windshield sunshade to your kit. Protect your dashboard and keep your cabin cooler at stops by adding a foldable sunshade to your pre-trip gear. 10. Secure loose items with small bungee cords or hair ties. Use mini bungees or elastic bands to keep water bottles, cords, and gear from flying around during sudden stops or turns. 11th. Check your spare tire's expiration date. Yes, tires expire, even the spare you've never used. Check the date stamped on the sidewall, the last 4 digits, and replace it if it's over 6 years old. 12th. Place a flashlight in the passenger door pocket. Not in the trunk, not in the back. Your flashlight should be where you can grab it quickly, especially if you break down on a dark road or highway shoulder. 13. Run your AC and heater. Before departure, don't find out your AC doesn't cool or your heat smells funny on mile 87. Test both systems before the trip so you can handle repairs early if needed. 14. Load your navigation app and save your destination offline. GPS apps can glitch or drop signal. Preload and save maps offline, especially if you're heading into rural or unfamiliar areas. And there you have it. 14 smart and simple travel prep hacks to handle before you hit the highway. The smoother your start, the better your entire journey will be. Be sure to check the description below for my top recommended tools and resources. If you enjoy this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And if you don't want to wait for my next video to come out, check out this one on the screen. What's the one thing you always check before a trip? Drop it in the comments. Like this video if it gave you a few new tricks. Subscribe for more car tips, road trip hacks, and DIY prep every week. Until next time, prep well, drive safe, and enjoy every mile ahead.